In this video, I'll show you how to avoid dynamic pricing on Ticketmaster. Dynamic pricing means that ticket prices increase based on demand, which can make it difficult to get tickets at a reasonable price. To avoid this, one of the most effective strategies is to buy tickets as early as possible. Ticket prices tend to rise as the event date approaches, especially for high-demand events. If you discover that ticket prices are already high, you can try waiting until the last day before the event. Resellers often reduce prices at the last minute to avoid losing money on unsold tickets. This tactic doesn't always work, but it can help you find better deals if you're flexible with your seating choices. Another way to avoid dynamic pricing is to follow the artists and venues on social media. Many artists and venues sell tickets directly on their own websites at fixed prices, which are often lower than the dynamic prices on Ticketmaster. You can also consider buying tickets for less desirable seating areas. For example, tickets for seats farther from the stage or in upper levels are usually priced lower than premium seats. Additionally, events held on weekdays tend to have lower ticket prices compared to those on weekends because there's less demand. By combining these strategies, you can minimize the impact of dynamic pricing and increase your chances of securing tickets at a reasonable cost. And that's how you can avoid dynamic pricing on Ticketmaster.